dry, rough, tired-looking skin? This simple 3 ingredients DIY mask can make your skin feel softer, brighter, and glowing after one use. Perfect for refreshing dull skin and bringing back that healthy glow. Here's what you need. 1 egg yolk nourishes the skin and help repair dryness. Then sugar. Gently exfoliate dry skin for a smoother, brighter complexion, 1 tablespoon. Glycerin oil. Lock in moisture and keep the skin soft and hydrated. 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients together until smooth and slightly creamy. The texture should feel soft and easy to apply. This DIY glow treatment helps refresh dull skin, deeply hydrate dry areas, gently exfoliate raw texture, soften and smooth the face, reveal brighter, glowing skin. Apply gently onto clean skin using circular motion. The sugar, softly exfoliate, while the egg yolks and glycerin deeply moisturize your skin. Leave it on 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water for fresh, glowing skin. Try this easy DIY glow mask tonight for softer, fresher looking skin. Always patch test before using DIY skincare treatments.